No, it cannot be. It cannot be without signal, come on.
This is a release issued by the Thornwood survivors community. If you received this signal from any other parts, not from Los Angeles, like California or others near Los Angeles or Thornwoods area, pay attention. Here in Thornwoods, there is a camp set up with an hospital and everything you need for survival. But do not pass by Los Angeles. Los Angeles is infested of happy bears, and they're killing every last human crossing that zone. Thank you for hearing this release.
I heard that message. I hope that there is somewhere to finally escape from this nightmare.
Oh! There is a forest!
I think this is Thornwoods. I used to live near here.
This is crazy! I need to run!
I think those happy bears are trying to hunt me, and I won't let them do it.
Who are you? ID and documents fast. We are the Thornwood Survivors Community Camp. Are you infected? Tell me the truth.
Okay, here is my ID and documents. I am not infected, I swear.